Hey everyone, welcome to the video. I hope you're doing good. Today we will be unboxing this amazing keyboard from Razer. It is known as Razer Cynosa Chroma. This is a great budget RGB membrane keyboard from Razer, which has great features like soft touch and dedicated RGB lights. So let's get started with the unboxing. I received this product from Amazon today and I really wanted to share the unboxing experience of the keyboard. According to me, it is one of the best keyboards out there if you are on a budget. It has amazing backlight and is quite comfortable for typing as well as gaming. Let's unbox. And here we have the keyboard in good packaging. I will open this up and also show you the lights and the typing experience on this keyboard. Here you have it. So now we are good to go. I'll just plug in the keyboard to my MacBook Air for some great experience. You can see the keyboard has good colors and is fairly bright. Let's switch to a different preset. This is the wheel preset. It's beautiful. I just love it. This is the fire preset. And this is the wave preset. We also have this starlight preset. There are numerous amount of options like dedicated key lights, brightness and colors available in the Razer Cynosa software. This keyboard is compatible for both Mac as well as Windows. Now we will see the typing experience and the level of noise it makes while typing. As you heard, it makes a decent amount of sound, but the soft touch technology gives a great feeling while typing on this keyboard. Overall, I'll definitely recommend this product for anyone who is looking for an RGB keyboard in a budget. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.